Hey guys, let's quickly solve this question together. The formula of the compound formed in a reaction between trivalent metal M and tetravalent non-metal X is what? They said reaction between metal M, but it is trivalent, and non-metal X tetravalent is going to give us Mx. We all know it's going to give us Mx, but for us to balance our reaction, because this one is having +3 charge and this one is having -4 charge, so it's going to affect our final product. So to balance up our formula, to write the correct formula, always use this trick. Trivalent metal M is reacting with non-metal X. So the charge here will come to this side and the charge here will come to this side. That means 4 is coming here and 3 is coming here. Then I'm coming to my compound. I have Mx. You know, the charges, they have exchanged position. That means 4 will come before 3. And this is my correct formula. Then the reaction between metal M and non-metal X is going to give me M4X3, which is option C. See you guys in my next video.